So what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Waqas and you're watching Waqas Tech. So guys, in this short tutorial I am going to show you how to fix apps not working on iPhone after update iOS 16.6 beta. Lot of apps not working on iPhone, especially the banks and other apps. So let's start video without wasting any time and see how it's fixed. Firstly, move to the solution 1. Solution 1 is open App Store and search app that not working right now on your iPhone and update it on the latest update. If that method not working for you, then move to the next solution. Next solution is uninstall that app and then reinstall on iPhone to fix the apps not working issue on iPhone. Okay, if that method is also not working for you, then jump to the next solution. The next solution is force to restart your iPhone after update iOS 16.6 beta. Okay, after force the restart, you can easily launch any app that not working yet on iOS 16.6 beta. Okay, if that step is not working for you, then what the next? The next solution is open iPhone settings. Okay, in setting you need to scroll down. Okay, tap on general, you can see appears on screen general section. Okay, you can see appears on screen background app refresh, tap on that. Okay, make sure all apps turn on from here that not working right now. If it's turn off, just turn it on and then launch the app again, it will 100% work. Okay, if that method is also not working for you, then what the next? The next is downgrade your iPhone to the previous update. Okay, make sure you create a backup of your iPhone before you downgrade your iPhone to the previous update. So friends, by doing that simple step and follow these instructions, you can easily fix that your apps not working on iPhone after update iOS 16.6 beta. Because it's a beta, so lot of apps not working due to security reason. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.